Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 9 Courage of Moral Science. Courage means standing up to our fears, and if we have courage we can face any situation in our life because a courageous person will always stand up against the odd without any fear. Now let's read an experience of Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar has earned the fame of being one of the greatest cricketers of the world, and he has been nicknamed as the Little Master. He has hit scores of centuries and is considered one of the most productive run makers of modern times. And he had a wonderful technique and a great power of concentration. Sunil Gavaskar was a fine slip fielder and also a wonderful human being. The great human quality which he showed on Jan 13, 1993 is perhaps greater than any of his sporting achievements. During those days, the city of Mumbai was going through a phase of fear and terror, and riots had broken out in many areas and there was violence everywhere. The incidents of loot and arson were in the news, and it seemed as if the feelings of compassion, sympathy, and most important, humanity had disappeared. Friends and neighbors had turned into enemies, and going out on the roads of Mumbai meant risking one's life. Then, on a particular day, a large crowd was wildly stoning all the vehicles. There one such incident happened just outside Sunil Gavaskar's house at Worli. So helpless, restless and upset Gavaskar was watching these scenes of horror from the balcony of the multi-storied building where he used to live. But somehow two cars managed to end the stoning and they controlled past. Then at a distance another car was approaching and it also tried to vent the crowd, but the crowd managed to hit the driver with a huge stone. So the badly hurt driver lost control of the steering wheel and the car hit a tree. But the passengers of the car tried to come out, but the unruled crowd surrounded them and threw stones at them. Gavaskar could not tolerate this act of cruelty, so he told his wife to call up the police immediately and he himself rushed down. And without worrying about himself, he went straight to the crowd and bravely stood in front of them by saying that they have to hit him first. But the crowd were surprised to see their dear player in front of them. So the attacking stone crowd became quiet and the stones from their hands fell on the ground. The wild mood had disappeared, shame and regret replaced hatred and anger. Then with their heads down in shame, the crowd moved away. After that, the injured passengers came out of the car and out of love and gratitude, they thanked the little master for saving their lives. Because the little master proved himself to be a great human being apart from being a great cricketer. So when faced with a dangerous situation, Gavaskar had come forward with great courage. Same way, we too will face situations where we will have to show courage and righteousness. When we see something wrong being done and we feel strongly about it, so we should not stop ourselves. We should stand up and make sure that no one suffers, and it will require a lot of courage. So be brave and stand up to what you think is correct and right. We should do all the good we can by all the means we can, in all the ways we can, at all the times we can, to all the people we can, and as long as ever we can. So students, courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the judgment that something else is more important than fear. Thank you.